Hi, I'm Green Duck from Hamburg in Germany, and this is Smoothify Beta version 1.00. What is Smoothify? Smoothify is a tool for time interpolation in Premiere Pro. Just move the cursor between two keyframes and press apply. Then it will be calculated from the graph keyframes and we have a really nice transition. The x-axis represents time and the y-axis represents the value. Hold Ctrl to snap to the grid and additionally Shift for a finer grid. Also click Ctrl double click to reset the grid, and you can also use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. If you are between more than one property and click apply or remove, this menu will open. Simply click on the property you want to select. If you want to add a hotkey, right click on the property and click add hotkey. Just press your key combination and it will work. If you want to save a template for a graph, just click on the plus. To delete it again, you can hover over it and press delete, or right click and press delete. You can also have several libraries which are explained by themselves. Unfortunately, I have deleted the progress of the last 4 days. So the plugin is currently only for Windows and not yet for Mac. There are also a few bugs which I will fix as soon as possible. For example, the plugin breaks when you change the speed of a clip or the FPS. In addition, in the next update, everything that can be set in a plugin will be controllable with hotkeys. You can import and export presets from Flow plugin and so on. Also, if you have ideas to improve this plugin, please join our Discord and send us some feedback. But now I have to continue to program the next update, so have a nice day and goodbye.